This might look intimidating, but there's an easy trick to remove this battery, so I'll show you a full step-by-step battery replacement, including info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Next is the bracket down here at the base of the battery. Moving on to the positive, loosen the clamp nut first and then unclip these two plastic retainers on the junction box. This whole assembly can now be removed together. Then there's one more bracket on top. Once the nut's removed, pull and lift the bracket off. We're installing the original factory fitted battery after it's been charged, but I'll share some info on a replacement battery a bit later. You'll need to push the battery all the way to the back to ensure the bracket lines up with the mounting holes. There's also space to fit a bigger battery, but you might need to adapt the ECU for this change. Then also fit the top bracket before making the electrical connections. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. Now install the whole positive assembly first before connecting the negative terminal. And don't forget to clip the retainers into place. Then lastly, install the negative terminal, but make sure to push the terminal down on the battery post as far as possible to prevent a potential loose connection. You'll definitely want an enhanced flooded battery as a minimum, but an AGM is even better if you have a stop-start system. The 60 amp hour version should get you close to these dimensions, which is the same as the original factory fitted size. You shouldn't have any warnings on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary. Even the one-touch windows still work. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.